Okay, this is just the answers for the perimeter section of this practice assignment. So to find the perimeters of the first two objects, we're just going to add all the sides. So to find the perimeter of this triangle, first it's helpful to know that these lines here indicate that those two sides are the same length. So this side's also 10 centimeters. So to find the perimeter of that shape, we just add up all the sides. Perimeter 10 plus 10 plus 13. So the perimeter is 33 centimeters. Which is, if you look at the answers, I think the answers say 33 meters. Oh, I better fix that. Okay, so then this one, the perimeter, I'm sorry again, I'm just going to point this out, that the 14 here should actually be in meters. So these dashed lines just tell you that they're the same side length, so that's 6 meters, and then the ones that are across from each other are both 14 meters because it's a rectangle. So our total perimeter is 14 plus 6 plus 6. Or if you did it like how it says in the formula sheet, it means like it had 2 times the length plus the width. So same thing. And so your total perimeter is going to be 40 meters. Oh, and then a circle. To find the perimeter around a circle, we call that the circumference of a circle. And we do that using the formula 2 times pi times radius. Or you can use the formula pi times diameter. Same thing, since 2 times the radius is the diameter. Okay, so then you have 2 times pi, which you can use 3.14, or you can use the pi button on your calculator. And then the radius of our circle, which means from the center to the spot on the outside, is 22 centimeters. 22. Sorry, I didn't calculate this already. And that is 2 times pi times 22. So I got 138.23 centimeters. And I see that the answers have 138.16. So it just depends if you use 3.14 or if you use the pi button on your calculator. Either is fine. But just know that you are going to have a slightly different answer.